Match the decimal value of the question with the decimal value of the answer choice to find the correct answer. To find range, graph the function and look at the y values. The range is all real numbers that are less than or equal to 900. The graph does not intersect the x-axis at 0.5. Enter the values in a table to see the trend. The points are less scattered and can easily be seen as going down, hence a negative trend which is also strong. The graph of question and answer choice A overlaps perfectly. Answer choices B, C, and D produce graphs different from the graph of the question. The x-intercept is -3 and the y-intercept is -5. Only the graph of answer choice C produces the same x and y-intercepts. The graph of the function produces the x-intercepts of -1 and 1.667. Convert the answer choice fraction into decimal value to match with the graph values. Answer choice B is the correct answer. Input the table given in the question and graph the functions in the answer choices one by one. The line of the graph in answer choice A does not overlap the points of the table. The graph of answer choice B does not overlap the points. The graph of answer choice C overlaps the points and hence is the correct answer. The graph of answer choice D does not overlap the points. To graph a function, always use x instead of any other letter. Graph one side of the equation and make a separate graph of the other side of the equal sign. The x value of where the two graphs will overlap will be the solution. Moving the positive 75 on the other side of the equal sign will make it negative. Graph the function. The x-intercepts of the graph should match the answer choices. The answer choice A does not match the x-intercepts of the graph. The answer choices are given in plus-minus form. So evaluate the numbers one time with a plus and the other time with a negative sign to get the decimal values. Answer choice B does not match. Answer choice C does not match. It's the decimal values of answer choice D which match the decimal values of the x-intercepts of the graph. To find the perimeter of a triangle, add all lengths of all three sides. First, add the non-x terms, and it will be easy to spot the correct answer choice. You can also add the coefficient of the x terms to verify the correct answer. Answer choice C is the correct answer. The correct factor will cross one of the x-intercepts of the function. Graph the function and each answer choice one by one. The graph of answer choices A, B, and C will not cross the x-intercept of the function. Answer choice D will and is the correct answer. Graph the function and the answer choices. The graph of correct answer choice will perfectly overlap the graph of the function in the question, and this will prove the both expressions are equivalent. Answer choices A, B, and D do not overlap the question graph. Answer choice C is the correct answer. To graph a function, always use the letter x as the variable. Graph each side of the equal sign and find the x value of the point where the both graphs intersect each other. The decimal value of answer choice D matches the decimal value of the x coordinate. Determine the function value when x is equal to 4. Always enclose the number in parentheses to evaluate. The function value is 41 when x value is 4. The correct answer choice is C. To find the correct factors, input 5 and minus 3/2 in all the give factors and evaluate. The ones that will give the result as 0 will be the correct answer choices. Graph the function and all of the given factors to find out which factors will cross the x-intercepts of the function. Use the slope formula to find the slope. 3 different set of points is taken to calculate the slope. The slope is negative 3,000, which means that the altitude of the airplane is decreasing at a rate of 3,000 feet per minute. Find the vertex of the quadratic function when the x value changes to x plus 7.2. Make sure to enclose the change in parentheses and square the whole expression. The vertex is now easy to identify with the correct answer choice B.